Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Let's check out first how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed today, and let's also see if we can have some new levels for tomorrow's trading on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Well, in case if you remember, I had straight away said you one thing. The time prices break above this resistance line, the black color line what I am talking about in Nifty, it will shoot up, and the same thing has happened today. And yesterday also I had mentioned you regarding this doji. It was almost like a doji. I had said you, like, if in case this price closes above this today, trades above this even for some time, there are good chances the prices will move up. And you can see very well price has gapped up and it has sustained above that level for some time and it has moved up. Now let's check out 5 minutes chart. You will have an idea how the prices have moved up. Now let me show you this, what I had marked yesterday. You can watch out this. Yesterday I had marked this as a strong resistance level. Actually I was expecting a reversal from almost around 13,360. But today if you see, the prices had gapped up and opened above this trend line. This was looking very bullish, and once price broke this 5 minutes high, and you can see how the prices have sustained at this level again. It had retraced back to this level, the trend line, and it started moving up. And today was a good trade opportunity for a long side. You can see this. This was a good trade on the long side. Also Bank Nifty, if I have to talk about, let me go to 2 hour chart. Yesterday I had explained you in 2 hour chart that Bank Nifty is also in a range. You can see here the range what I was talking about. This was a good trade on the long side. And once price is closed above this level today, I didn't expect it to close today itself, but we cannot predict everything right in stock market, especially when you're trading. You will have to sometimes go with the levels, and you can see once it has closed above this zone what I'm talking about, this was marked as a resistance zone. The prices have beautifully moved up. This resistance zone I'm talking about. Let me show you in 5 minutes or 15 minutes chart. Let me go to first 15 minutes chart. As you can see here, price gapped up, opened at a level that is a zone, that's a resistance zone, and once price closed above this, right, the price retraced back to the zone, and you can see then it has moved up. My expected target was 3600 above this level, and previously I think 2-3 days back I had also mentioned there are good chances above 3600. We can see somewhere around 3900 to come, and you can see the high today. The high was almost around 3877. This was the high, you can see here. Today Nifty and Bank Nifty were very smooth enough, it was just one-sided move. You can see prices have beautifully moved up, so both long trades were good. Now talking about tomorrow's level, and let's go to first Bank Nifty and see what new resistance or support we have. Let me remove all these drawings first. Let me go to weekly chart first and see what new levels I can draw. You can see the reason why I had drawn this as a resistance is because we had seen a reversal from this area before and also from this area. So if I have to talk about tomorrow's resistance, 3900 is still a strong resistance. Above this we can probably see 31,350 levels. It's a big target. Let's go and check out 2-hour chart now. Let's try to find some resistance and support here. Okay, you can see the reason why I'm taking 2-hour chart, I feel good enough while analyzing the stocks, or let it be Nifty or Bank Nifty. Also very easy to draw some support resistance. You can see we have a support here at 3190 levels, and at 31040, 31190 and 31040 will be my targets above 13900. Let me quickly draw some more support and resistance zone based on today's chart. Well guys, if you see this level somewhere from 3900 till this area, somewhere around 3800, this is going to be a resistance zone for tomorrow. This will be the first resistance zone, and this will be a strong support zone as well. Let me zoom this chart. Yes, so you can take this level as a resistance, almost around 150 points. It's around 120 points. This is a resistance zone, a strong resistance zone, and this will be the support zone for me. Previously the resistance zone will now turn out to be a support zone. This I'm talking about. This zone is going to be a support zone, and this is going to be a resistance zone. Okay. Now what is the trade plan for tomorrow? For tomorrow, in case this price enters this zone again, in case the price enters the zone again, we can expect this level to come in somewhere around 3850. Let me mark a resistance line here. 3850 would be my first target. Price once entering the zone, once it closes a bullish candle here, we can expect 3850 to come, and above this we can see 3900. And in case price gaps up 100-200 points, and if you see a good bullish candle closing here, something like this, then we can expect 31,000 to come in, and above this we'll have a target of 31040. This is the one-sided trade what I'm talking about for long trade. And for short trade, let me tell you what I'm looking at. In case the price breaks this level, this low I'm talking about, that is 3713, and price sustains below this, yes, we can expect prices to come down to the support mark, that is 3600, and below this 3600 we can also expect somewhere around 3500 and 3450 to come. This is very simple setup. Let me check out the trend line as well on 2-hour chart. You can see prices are holding this trend line very well. Let me zoom the chart so that you understand. There are lot many support and resistance lines here. You need not focus on everything, just the levels what I am mentioning, you can focus at that. The price are holding this trend line. You can see here, in case price breaks this level, the low what I was talking about, that is 3713, and price closes below that, it will almost come near the trend line. Below that we can see 3600, 3500 and this support zone to enter, and price breaking above this high, today's high, would give a good momentum on the upside for 31,000 as a target. But as I had mentioned you, my entry would be probably somewhere here. Once it enters the zone, let me mark a level here. This is the level what I would focus at, this high, that is 3792. Once prices closes above this, I can expect 3850 to come in, and above this I can expect 3874 and 3900 as my targets on the upside. And in case price still has some momentum, there is a good bullish candle again closing above 3900, expect 31,000 and 31040 to come in. So for Bank Nifty's trade for tomorrow, it's a very simple setup. You can just go with this. You can also draw this levels what I have mentioned. You can see the prices here. You can just draw this levels and you can see how prices respect these levels. And guys, as I said you before, make sure you trade with proper stop losses and be trading stop loss once you are in profit, right? Okay, now talking about Nifty, Nifty has made an all-time high. Nifty is trading very well, and you can see today's candle was a good bullish candle, a fantastic bullish candle. Let me zoom the chart. Once price makes all-time high, or once price starts breaking all-time high, usually I don't set any targets, I just go with the flow of the price. But still I'll tell you what I'm expecting for tomorrow. Let me go and check out 2-hour chart first. I'll maintain this line because this will act as support in case the price is coming down. Okay, let me go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes chart. Okay, we have a new support zone here. This is a zone I would look at. This is a new support zone for me. Nearby there are many zones. I'll just remove this zone what I had drawn. For now I am removing this so that you don't get confused. Nifty for tomorrow, in case it closes above today's high, expect some more momentum on the upside. Let me draw one more small trend line here based on 15-minute chart. Okay, this looks quite good, this trend line. Let me check this as well. Okay, for tomorrow, today's high will be a resistance point. You can see here I have drawn resistance zone as well here. This will be a resistance zone, this level. In case price closes above this, be trading 20-25 points profit so that you don't miss out the profits what you have earned. Almost you can expect 3600 to come in above this level, that is above 13,550, and in case price reverses from here, this is the level I would look for shorting opportunity below this. In case price breaks this zone, sustains below that, yes, I can expect again prices to come back to 13,464. Above this high, you can expect 13,600. Price sustaining above this, and in case, let me delete this just a sec. Okay, and in case price closes below this, yes, we can expect 13,464 to come in. But as I said you before, make sure you trail every 15, 20 points or 25 points. And what if price reverses from here? If it reverses again, expect this resistance to come in as a target. Right? So for tomorrow, Nifty and Bank Nifty, we have a very simple setup. It's not so complicated. In case if you want to know what all the levels I have drawn, I'll just mark the lines here. You can just focus on these numbers on the right side. You can just draw the same levels on your system as well and check out how price respects this level beautifully. This is one level I'm talking about, and the other level is this 13,542 to 13,548. And here we have, let me mark this as well, 13,509, and the other level here it is 13,513. This is 5 points level. Price closing below this, yes, we can expect this level to come in, but remember there is a trend line again here. Make sure price sustains below this, only then you can go for a shorting opportunity. And price closing above this, if we see a good bullish candle, then probably we can see 13,600 to come in. So guys, it's very simple. I'll see you tomorrow again. We'll see how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed tomorrow, and if required, we'll come up with new levels and zones again tomorrow. That's all for now. I'll see you again tomorrow. In case you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out the regular updates. And in case you have liked this video, you are enjoying watching this video, please comment and please like this video. See you all tomorrow. Take care.